Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to hide Snapchat notifications from a single chat. This feature allows you to have more control over your notifications and maintain your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat from which you want to hide notifications. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Chat Settings. Step 5. Next, tap on Message Notifications to disable it. By doing so, you won't receive notifications for new messages from that particular chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide Snapchat notifications from a single chat and have better control over your privacy and the notifications you receive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.